Come here. So here's how we gotta put him in. This little harness. Stay here. Alright, let's loosen this up a little bit. Hold on. I forgot I should loosen this up before I started this. Okay. So we gotta come underneath the legs. Clip him in. Alright, clip you in. Gotta get his tail through the little opening. Okay. Oh, oh. Usually we try to do this on the couch so we have more room. It's okay, it's okay. Clip in one arm shoulder, the other arm shoulder. Clip him in the front. Then one last thing. You need to clip his harness in. Sometimes it's easier when I stand up. And then we can stand up with him. Whoop. Whoop. And there we go. And he goes in his harness. We're ready to go for a bike ride.
Il est malade ce sac-là. Couchi, 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 couchi. T'es-tu bien mon chien? On dirait que tu t'en vas. On dirait qu'elle a un petit tuxedo. Wouah! On s'en va en montagne russe. Wouah! Pop! Une petite queue. Ça fait pas mal dans le dos, pas en tout. On dirait vraiment qu'elle a un petit tuxedo. Très cool, hey!
Judson, are you going for a ride? Jet! No, he doesn't even have you have it. I put it on right. His arms are in the holder. Yeah. Do the direction. Go.
I head to work on Monday morning. You get up before the dawn.
But I use it all the time for my little baby boy. It's great for taking your dog on a bus or a store when you can't go in and they can't see anything because he's right strapped to you. So for that, I love it. It's durable, snaps together easy, and it's black. I got the black one. I don't know if there's another color, but I love it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.